Have you ever wondered how the water coming out of your tap becomes safe to drink? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of water treatment plants. A water treatment plant is a complex system designed to remove impurities and contaminants from raw water sources, making it safe for human use. The primary goal of water treatment is to provide clean, safe drinking water, protecting public health from waterborne diseases and harmful substances. Water purification isn't a single step. It involves a rigorous multi-stage process, each designed to tackle different types of contaminants. The first stage of treatment is crucial: screening and aeration. This prepares the water for deeper cleaning. Screening involves passing the raw water through large screens to remove visible, larger debris like leaves, sticks, and trash. Next is aeration, where the water is mixed with air. This adds oxygen, helping to remove dissolved gases that cause unpleasant tastes and odors. Stage 2 is all about gathering the microscopic particles, achieved through coagulation and flocculation. Coagulation involves adding chemicals called coagulants, typically aluminum sulfate, to neutralize the negative charges on dirt and other suspended particles. Flocculation then uses gentle mixing to make these neutralized particles bump into each other, forming larger, heavier clumps called floc. Stage 3 is sedimentation, where gravity takes over to clean the water further. The water flows slowly into sedimentation basins, allowing the heavy floc particles to sink naturally to the bottom. The accumulated settled material, known as sludge, is then collected and removed from the bottom of these basins for further treatment or disposal. Even after sedimentation, tiny particles remain. Stage 4, filtration, is used to capture them. The water passes through filter beds made of materials like sand, gravel, and activated charcoal, acting like sieves to catch residual impurities. This step ensures the removal of any remaining fine particles, suspended solids, and even some microorganisms, making the water much clearer. The final major step is disinfection, a non-negotiable process to eliminate harmful pathogens. Disinfection typically involves adding a small amount of chlorine or using UV light exposure to destroy any remaining bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. This ensures the water is completely safe for consumption as it leaves the treatment plant and travels through the distribution system. From raw river water to clean drinking water, the process is detailed and precise, constantly monitored by engineers and scientists. After disinfection, the purified water is stored in reservoirs and then distributed through an extensive network of pipes to homes and businesses. Next time you turn on your tap, remember the incredible journey your water has taken to reach you, all thanks to the dedicated work of water treatment plants.